Okay, so good day everyone. Today we're going to talk about the terminologies of swimming. Okay, they are basic swimming terms. So these are fundamental terms used to describe general actions and concepts in swimming. So first of the list is backstroke. So when you say backstroke, swimming on your back using alternating arm movement and a fluttered kick. So, lateral breathing. So, breathing on both sides while swimming, usually in freestyle. Next is breaststroke. Swimming with a frog-like kick and simultaneous arm movements in front of the body. So next is butterfly. So we say butterfly, swimming with both arms moving together in a circular motion and a dolphin kick. So when we say dolphin kick, a swimming kick where both legs move together in a wave-like motion. So freestyle, so swimming with alternating arm movements and a flutter kick typically face down in the water. So flip turn, a quick turn done at a wall by flipping the body over and pushing off with the feet. So circle swim, swimming in a circular pattern in a lane to avoid collisions with other swimmers. So next is deck, the area around the swimming pool where you can walk. So anaerobic, so exercise that is so intense that your body can't get enough oxygen. Drill, so it is a specific exercise to improve a part of your swimming technique. And then next is the front crawl, so another name for freestyle swimming. Then flutter kick, so kicking your legs up and down quickly while swimming. So aerobic exercise that uses oxygen to give you energy. So mo to siya mga basic terminology sa swimming. The example lang niya. Sa butterfly, mo siya example sa butterfly when swimming. Then backstroke og breaststroke. So there are equipments used in swimming. Names of common gear and tools used in swimming. So una diha is goggles. So eyewear worn to protect the eye from chlorine and improve underwater visibility. So kailangan naman tag goggles no. So swim cap. So bantay mo nang gipambutang sa mga swimmers silang ulo. So mo na ang tawag na swim cap, a head covering often made of silicone or latex, worn, reduce drag, protect hair and keep it out of the face. Okay. So kickboard, a rectangular floating device held by the hands used to isolate leg work and improve kick technique. Snod is pull buoy, a figure-eight shaped foam float placed between the things to provide buoyancy for the legs, isolating and work. Sunod is fins or flippers. Ano siya ang footwear that increases surface area and propulsion used to enhance kick strength and technique. Ano siya katuibutang sa ilang tiil. Sunod is paddles. So hand-worn device that increase the surface area of the hands, enhancing arm strength and stroke techniques. Sunod is snorket. So, a tube that allows a swimmer to breathe continuous while their face is submerged, aiding in focus on stroke mechanics. Kung siya katong tube nga iwutang sa ilang para makaginhawa gyapon sila. Next is tempo trainer. A small device that emits an audible beep at a set interval to help swimmers maintain a consistent stroke rate. Sunod is drag suit. A loose-fitting swimsuit worn during training to increase water resistance, making the swim harder. Sunod is arita sa water safety. So, ito important terms related to safety in and around water. So, another is lifeguard. Aning lifeguard, a trained professional responsible for supervision swimmers and ensuring safety in aquatic environment. So, nagini siya ang lifeguard. So, body system, the practice of swimming with a partner so that each person can monitor the each safety. So, man akong nakay kauban kung maglangoy-langoy. At least, ma-monitor ninyo ang usag-usa. Sunod is treading water. The act of staying afloat in a vertical position by making continuous arm and leg movements without moving forward. So, hypothermia, a dangerous drop in body temperature caused by prolonged exposure to cold water. Kasi na ato makuha kung tibok adlaw ba karon dihang nasa tubig. So, dapat mo ahon sa gid ka. So, drowning, the process of experiencing respiratory impairment from submersion or immersion in liquid. Drowning ka nang malunod. Shallow water blackout, loss of consciousness underwater due to lack of oxygen to the brain, often caused by hyperventilating before breath holding. So, marito siya sa akong part, terminologies of swimming. So, thank you.